Hi, first grade friends. Welcome to our math class today. Today, we're going to learn a new game, and it's called Build It. This is numbers to 20. Okay, so I want you to look right here on the screen, and do you know, I'm moving my little mouse right here. Do you know what these things right here are called? I have two of them. There's one right here, and then there's another right here. Do you know what these are called? They're called 10 frames. I wonder why these things are called 10 frames. Think about it. Why would these be called 10 frames? Well, it looks like there are squares in this big, huge rectangle. I wonder how many squares are in this big rectangle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, weren't these called 10 frames? And how many squares are inside the 10 frame? Did you say 10? You are right. So there are 5 squares in each row. There's 5 squares on top and 5 squares on the bottom. Wow. So one 10 frame has 10 squares. It also reminds me of little pictures. Imagine this. They're like frames, like a picture frame. So they're all together. So you have one frame here, another frame here. So you have 5 frames on the top and 5 frames on the bottom. So that's why it's called a 10 frame. Okay, so we have two 10 frames here. So if I have 10 in this frame and 10 in this 10 frame, how many do I have all together? Wow, 10 and 10 more. Well, I stopped counting at 10 when I got here, so I could keep counting to see how many I have. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, I have 20 spots. I have 20 circles. So I have two 10 frames, and these two 10 frames equal 20. Okay, so to play this game, the first thing that you do is you flip over a number card. So the first number I see in my deck, in my number card, is the number what? Did you say 15? This is the number 15. How do you know that this is the number 15? If you didn't know that this was the number 15, where could you find the information? You could say, I could find the number 15 on a number line, or I could find the number 15 on a number chart. I can count up to 15. There's a lot of ways that you can figure out that this is the number 15. So since this is the number 15, I'm going to build it. And I'm going to build it with pennies. Oh, I love coins. So we're going to use a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. I have a little song for pennies. It goes like this. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper brown, worth 1 cent. So this little penny is worth 1 cent. I'm going to use this penny to build the number 15. I'm going to count as I do it. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I filled up my first 10 frame. What do you think I should do next? I didn't get to the number 15 yet. Should I keep counting? Where should I put my pennies next? I hope you said in the second 10 frame. Let's keep counting. I have 10 up there so far, so I can keep counting by ones. I have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, I got to the number 15. The number 15 looks like this. One whole 10 frame is filled up. There is a penny in each square. But in my second 10 frame, I don't have all of my squares filled up. I only have pennies in the top row. So 15 is one whole 10 frame and then a top row of a second 10 frame. That's the number, 15. That's what it looks like. We're going to start over and do it one more time. Yes, we would like to start over. We're going to show the next number, and the next number is 12. So if I don't know what the number 12 looks like, I can look on a number line, I could look on a number chart, I can count to the number 12 by ones, and I can use objects to see what it looks like. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build the number 12. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to stop for a second. I'm still building to the number 12. Do you think I'm going to fill up this whole 10 frame? If you said yes, how do you know that I'm going to fill up this whole 10 frame? Is it because you know that 12 is more than 10? This is a 10 frame, and I know that the number 12 is bigger or more than 10. So it's going to fill up this whole 10 frame, and we're going to even have some more in the next 10 frame. Let's keep counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we filled it up. Let's keep going. 11 and 12. I built the number 12. This is what the number 12 looks like. One whole 10 frame and then 2 more on the next 10 frame. I touched and counted the pennies as I built the numbers. You're going to be doing this today in your activities. You have the page number 7 in your math workbook, and it's Start With, Get To Part 3, and you're going to be counting on a number line, but you can also build your own 10 frame and get objects around your house to build numbers. So if you want to do this activity at home, you can make your own 10 frame just like I have here on my screen. You can even make some number cards. I believe that you made some number cards last week. You can use those number cards, pull out a number, and then build your number with objects in a 10 frame. 10 frames are an organized way that we can see numbers quickly. And so we're going to be practicing using 10 frames a lot in first grade. Thanks for listening to my lesson, sweet friends. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.